Whether your data is in the form of an Excel spreadsheet or if it's on cloud, you can easily connect your data from different data sources, visualize and analyze your data, and share it with anyone or everyone with the help of Microsoft Power BI. Microsoft Power BI has three parts: Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service, and Power BI Mobile Apps. Power BI Desktop, which is a free Windows desktop application, is used to create reports, which is then published to Power BI Service. Power BI Service is an online service which helps you view reports and dashboards. And finally, Power BI mobile apps for Windows, iOS and Android device can be used to monitor progress on sales data, for example, and drill down into the data to find out more details. Now let us look at how to download and install Power BI Desktop. First, go to powerbi.microsoft.com. From there, click on Products and then Power BI Desktop. And click on Download Free over here. Next, open Microsoft Store. And then click on Get. Over here, I'll just click on No Thanks. Now here, click on Install. Now you can see the installation progress bar over here. Next, you can see the option to launch your application. So you can click on either of these launch buttons and click over here. So Power BI Desktop is now installed. You have two options, that is try free or sign up. For the time being, I'll skip the sign up part, which I'll be covering later in the course.